This message is being broadcasted through the Lumiose City television emergency alert system. Just now, lines to resemble an airplane structure has crashed through the Lumiose City conference, and multiple parts of Lumiose City, including the Lumiose City gym. Reporters are unaware about this current situation as of right now, as there happens to be a giant unknown living being killing and injuring innocent people in the process. Everyone in Lumiose City is required to seek shelter immediately. As for those not in Lumiose City, do not attempt to go to Lumiose City as it is dangerous. For others who risk going at this time, we have just received an update that this is no accident. This happens to be a terrorist attack, planned by Team Flare's infamous Lysander, the said resurrection of infamous Arabian terrorist Lysander in Raiden. This is not true. Everyone in Lumiose City and outside Lumiose City must evacuate the Kalos region and find a nearby shelter. More updates will continue to develop.
This is Lysander of Tomb Flare Enterprises. My plan of eliminating every single human being and Pokémon has begun. There is no escape from death, as it will come for you all. People and Pokémon are all worthless. There will be no mercy or God to save you all. Scream and panic like the little worms you are. Tomb Flare will live on for all of eternity, and you worthless worms won't be able to see the light of day again, as I have already created more vine airplane-like structures to kill all of you worthless shitholes, including those beings of existences we call Pokémon. All shall worship Satan. 666. You will not have any television to contribute to, as many of our Team Flare members are taking everyone hostage in the Lumiose City television studio. There is no escape. Lysander will live on forever. Tomb Flare will continue its terrorism across other many various regions, and you all will be dead. People and Pokémon are worthless. This is Lysander, signing off. Hot, 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 hot. 6.
This message was being broadcasted through the Lumiose City television emergency alert system. We would like to apologize to our listeners earlier about Lysander breaking into the Lumiose City television station. It just so happens that Lysander used one of his cloned toys along with his grunt minions to make sure no news is being reported. The stated issue has been dealt with, as there happens to be people and Pokémon battling the grunt minions. As we speak, we have the Lumiose City television station have wiped clean of every Team Flare grunt minion, but we have some content to deliver to your viewers. Just now, Team Flare has taken the runner-up of the Lumiose conference tournament hostage. The hostage appears to be Ash Ketchum, as he is restrained by floating ball-like structures, while on top of the Lumiose tower. Secret Service reporters say that he will use electrocutors on Ash Ketchum to have him join Lysander and commit terrorism for all of humanity. This happens to come from the source of the second part of that sub-terrorist attack caused by Lysander. We have just received word now that Ash Ketchum is starting to go mentally insane, as he is in a psychotic mental state. A reporter of the group Ash saying he was going to kill whistleblower for starting this whole attack, as well as enjoying one of Team Flame's ex-members, whose name is Aiden, by giving him fatalist death. It has just been reported right now that new water waves are around Ash Ketchum and one of his Pokémon, breaking free of the floating bomb structures, and killing whistleblower on the spot. We have also heard reports that Ash Ketchum has pushed Aiden off the Lumiose City Tower, fatally injuring him. We don't know what is going to happen next. Please stay tuned on this channel for more information.
This message is being broadcasted through the Lumiose City television emergency alert system. We have just received word, now that Ash Ketchum's mental health has started to grow much worse, as it seems he has been turned into a demon-like creature that resembles every one of the 457 Pokémon in the Kalos region, and reporters are saying that the demon-like creature is uncontrollable and raging against man and Pokémon. As we speak, this is affecting the Lumiose City part of Kalos, as many other towns in Kalos are unaffected by this. Those who are not in Lumiose City is still needed to stay inside their shelters, or not go to Lumiose City. Those who are in Lumiose City need to evacuate the scene immediately, as it could cause massive damage to people and Pokémon. Those who are in a different region, such as Nova, Kanto, Home, Johto, Simon, and Alola regions, are unaffected by this threat whatsoever. We will continue to bring more information as the story develops.
This message is being broadcasted through the Lumiose City television emergency alert system. The situation regarding Ash Ketchum's mental health has grown far more vicious and nefarious. Recently, just an hour ago, the Kalos defense team is taking down the demon-like creature threat. As we speak, multiple trainers and Pokémon are risking their lives to stop the threat as of right now. The Lumiose City broadcast will be on hold until the threat has been dealt with, as most of our reporters are gathering up their Pokémon and heading out to the scene. We at Lumiose City Broadcasting will inform you more about the threat when the time comes. As of now, Lumiose City Broadcasting will go off air until the threat has been completely dealt with. To find out more about the current events that are happening right now, tune to your local TV station or local radio station to get exact updates in what's going on in Kalos. But we at the Lumiose City Broadcasting Service would not like to waste any more time and get out on the scene trying to defeat the threat. As said earlier, Lumiose City Broadcast will be on hold until the threat to humanity and Pokémon is over.
This message is being broadcasted through the Lumiose City television emergency alert system. All clear. Repeat, all clear. The threat to humanity and Pokémon is over. The demon-like creature has been vanquished completely and Ash Ketchum is unharmed with no said injuries, but is knocked out and is in the Lumiose City hospital, as we speak. Clement of the Lumiose City Gym stated that Ash Ketchum's mental health was caused by a disruption of the Pokémon entering the bond, as it made Ash Ketchum uncontrollable with his movements, actions, and words. As for the fatally injured pig, as stated earlier, luck came to his side and survived the massive fall from the Lumiose City Tower. He is stated to stay in the hospital for the next 3 to 4 months until his bones are healed. We at the Lumiose City Broadcasting would like to give our sincere apologies to those who we have lost during this attack. It is now safe to exit shelters, as, for many other towns of Kalos, it's safe to exit shelters as well. The danger and threat to humanity is over. Lumiose City Broadcasting would like to thank you for your cooperation.